Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jackie and in today's video I am unboxing Le Gran Bambino bag from the brand Jacquemus. I ordered this bag because I could not stop thinking about it, and every time I saw somebody wearing it on social media, I was obsessed, you guys. Also because my name is Jackie and the name of this brand starts with Jackie as well. So I thought, oh no, I need to have something from this brand. As always, I will leave everything that I am wearing and the items on this video in the description box down below in case you are interested. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get to the video.
This bag retails for 550 euros or 730 US dollars. As you can see, the bag comes in a dust bag and has the name of the brand written at the front. The name of this bag is Le Gran Bambino and is a large envelope-shaped handbag. It has been made with 100% calf leather and can be used as a crossbody bag. It has a very small patch pocket on the back, and it is so small that I don't think you can fit much in there. Maybe a card or a parking ticket, no more than that. This bag has a magnetic flap closure, and I have to say it really closes very good. This bag is in color khaki with gold hardware, but it comes in many other different colors. As you can see, the interior of the bag is just one compartment and it has another flap pocket on the inside. This flap pocket has the name written or carved on the leather. As you can see, the bag is very small and I don't think I can fit much in there, but we are going to try and see what fits. It has a padded top handle and painted edges. And here is the long strap to wear crossbody, which is removable and adjustable. It also has the gold colored hardware and has the name of the brand at the end of each side on the metal. This bag has 23.5 centimeters in length, 12.5 centimeters height, and the width is 6 centimeters. The shoulder strap is 101 centimeters.
Guys, what do you think about Le Gran Bambino bag? Is it worth it? It is a beautiful bag, especially with this khaki color and the gold hardware. It's a perfect combination. The problem is that it doesn't even fit my essentials. What do I do with my big key holder? What do I do with my big phone? Those are things that I have to think about because this is not a cheap bag. It is quite an investment, and before I spend my money on a bag that I am going to perhaps leave it in the room and never use it, I have to think about it. Perhaps you can help me decide if I should keep it or not. And with this, we reach the end of this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you on the next one.